Oh boy, we have our first equation with variables on each side of the equal sign. This is what I like to do. If you have a variable on the left side of the equal sign and a variable on the right side of the equal sign, you're allowed to pick any variable you want to get rid of. But I always want to get rid of the variable on the right side first. That's just what I like to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that I have minus 5a on the right side. How do I get rid of a negative 5a? Well, the opposite of negative is positive, so let's add 5a. Now, if I'm going to add 5a to the right, I have to add 5a to the left, and I'm going to write it underneath that a because those are like terms. Okay, the negative 5a and the positive 5a on the right cancel each other out. 1 apple plus 5 apples is 6 apples. How about them? Drop down the plus 5, drop down the equals, and drop down the 5. Now I have myself a two-step equation. Whenever you're multiplying by a variable and adding, you always get rid of the adding guy first. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides because subtraction is the inverse of addition. That crosses out. Now this is weird because if a positive 5 minus 5 crosses out, then a positive 5 minus a 5 should cross out, which means on the right side I'm left with nothing. On the left side, 6a drops down. Now before you freak out and say, we did something wrong. No, you didn't. Divide both sides by 6 because 6 is being multiplied to a, so you divide both sides by 6. Right? That crosses out. The a drops down, and 0 divided by 6 is 0. 0 is an answer. You're allowed to get it, and we just did. Okay, so that's our guy. A is 0. Bada bing.